G'day and welcome. My name's Jim, and today I'm going to show you very quickly how to fix like a stripped bolt nut in an emergency. So let's say you've lost a freaking bolt out of your headlight like this, and the ones you've got just keep spinning around and they won't bloody stick in there. So your bolt keeps spinning around and it won't tighten up and everything's as loose as hell. So just grab pretty much anything. You can just like a bit of insulation, a bit of wire. In this case I just got a zip tie. It was a little big, so I've cut it down a tiny bit, and just cut that off, bend over the top of it so it doesn't fall right through the hole and you lose it down inside your panel or whatever. Shove that in there like that, and then grab your bolt and chuck it in beside it like such. And that's actually gone up firm now. So there you go, that's holding solid. That'll do you for a couple of days until you can fix it up. So alright, well, be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao ciao.
Well, there you go. Hope you liked the video. If you could use a good laugh, then check out my review channel. It's got over 100 hilarious videos on there. Big shout out to my Patreons, Mitch, Jackson, Legend Boys. If you want to be a legend as well, follow the links to Patreon, where members get to speak to me live and get videos sent to you early, as well as knowing you're helping out a creator. But if you're broke like me and still want to help, next time you go out, put on one of my playlists for your dog or your cat, or maybe you hate your neighbours, in which case you could turn it up nice and loud. Oh well, you'll be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Play the music!
Techno.
Cosmopolitan Railway.